ngarang Northern Luzon Philippines ki Bagayo gi Country Club ki Cordillera Hall da pangthokhiba Mr. International Pigeon ki 35 suba edition gi Grand Finale da Malem Pumba gi oina Mr. International 2022 gi mingthol phangkhraba Lukanan Khetrimigim saruk yakhrei tha taret hena India gi wangmada mahaki mathaudang pangthok lubagi loisilakpa oibana ngarang gi event da Lukanan gi aroiba running walk oina stage chatke amuktang phangba aroiba khongthang chatpa aduda Mr. International gi mingthol phanglaba Manipur macha Lukanan hairiba platform asida Manipur gi damak kathokhi mahangna event asigi manung chana Manipur da hauzik leidiba phibam asigi matangda malem gi midam bu khanghanaba akhanaba su ama sinki malem gi leiba kya gi mihut sing nation kya gi director sing spokesperson sing amadi global media sing suna tilaba thoram aduda mahakna burning Manipur haina mingthonba thoram amada malem gi miyam da narco terrorism na sokhanba asigi matangda miyam bu wakhal tahanki masigi matangda thoram gi kanglon manungda tongan ba international media sing da hiram masigi mari leinana narco terrorism na pirakpa chaitheng amadi masina sokhalakpa kya gi matangda miyam da hena kupthana awareness pigadawri thoidongna miyam gi pukning singsin khibadi international event asida Lukana na set khiba fizol asini Fizol asi Bagayo best international fashion designer King George na design tawduna laikhidabi mahairoi amagi aroiba miteng hapaga loinana step Manipur haina thaduna yengliba miyam da hauzik oidiba Manipur gi matangda hena khangingbasu pokhanki
Lukana would like to draw your attention to the subject of narco-terrorism in the region of Northeast India with a special focus on the state of Manipur through this esteemed platform. Let's save the world from narco-terrorism. Save the world. Save Manipur.
Through this foundation, today I shed the light to my own community, my own state, Manipur, which has been burning from the past 5 months. News of deaths, houses being displaced. In these conditions, I'm standing here as the reigning Mr. International to advocate for this cause. I want everyone to give a chance to see what's happening in India to the state called Manipur. Together, let's say, save the world from narco-terrorism, save the world, save Manipur. Thank you so much once again. 𝐋𝐔𝐊𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐍𝐃